Welcome back to Wegs Garage. Today we're making some final preparations before we start the engine. So we're gonna need a few things. That's right. We got oil, coolant, battery cables, wiring, all kinds of different stuff. So stay tuned. Dad's working on hooking up the battery cables over here, and while he's doing that, I'm gonna be cleaning up some of the pieces of the wire harness in there, the dimmer switch for the headlights and the windshield wiper motor wires, getting those pulled through the firewall. Got all of our wire connections kind of squared away. We don't have any lights in, so we covered up those wires for now, just to be safe. So I think we're gonna go ahead and put the battery in, just make sure nothing smokes. Hopefully not. And we probably also put some fuel in and double check all of our fuel lines, make sure nothing leaks.
Remember, if it sparks, it's wrong.
So our battery went together, we hooked it up, didn't get any smoke or anything, so that's good. Good to go there. We also put some fuel in the tank, and that is not leaking yet, so that's also good. So I think we'll go ahead and put some oil and coolant in the engine. Got this cool spin-on oil filter adapter down there, so we'll replace that, put some fresh oil in, and then fill it with coolant. Alright, so our fluids are in. We got the oil 11 pints of oil in there, 13 pints of coolant, and yeah, we are kind of running out of time today, so we're not gonna roll it out and start it fully, but we are gonna try cranking it over and see what happens. So here we go.
All right, climb in it.
Okay.
In neutral. Clutch in. Tell me when you're gonna do it.
Yeah, we're going.
All right, go. 200 amps.
Cranks. Let's see if we're getting any fuel in the bowl.
Are you getting any?
Yeah, I haven't seen it yet.
Crank it a couple more times. 157 amps. That's a lot of power.
Cranks.
Okay.
We're just not getting any fuel yet.
All right, let's shut her down.
Hey, what do you know?
Next week we start it.
Woohoo! Alright, well there you go. We got it cranking over. All the electrical has checked out so far, so that's pretty exciting. Unfortunately, we're out of time today, but next week we're going to roll this thing out and see if we can get it running. So stick around. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.